So once assembling done, so let's see how to operate this. So you will be provided with the two ignition keys and two battery keys. So initially you have to insert this ignition key here and just turn on. So once that you turn on, so you can see here the battery levels. So it shows battery levels and it detects that how much battery left in your cycle. So you press this power button, you can see here, so the battery indication, so it indicates that how much battery level is there in your cycle. And here you can see the speed, so how much distance you have been traveling, it will show in kilometer per hour. And here you can see these are the pedal assist levels, so we can increase this pedal level assist levels by pressing this plus button. So by pressing this plus button you can increase this levels, and to decrease this press this minus button. So you can see the levels has been decreasing and increasing. And here you can see odo means overall distance, how much you have traveled totally, you can see here. And pressing this mode button, you can see the average speed, how much distance you have traveled, it will indicate. And maximum speed, how much distance you have traveled, you can see here. And time, so total overall time, how much time you have been on this display, so it will indicate here. And this is a trip mode. So trip mode means you can calculate how much distance you have been traveling every time, from one place to another place, how much distance you have traveled, so daily routine. So all this can be tracked like this. So trip mode. And this is audio. So overall this is a display features which you can see here. And there are four modes especially in this cycle. So one is throttle mode. So if you turn on this and just if you accelerate, is the pedal assist mode. So you can see here we will be increasing these levels while pedaling, and it will move fastly. Mode is walking mode. If you press this minus button, it will go continuously at the speed of 5 km per hour. So if you can see here, so he is just pressing this minus button and accelerator not giving, so even it is moving at the speed of 5 km per hour continuously. Finally, this is our fourth mode. So you can lock the speed at any speed you want. So like this, if you accelerate this for a few seconds, so if I accelerate and lock this at, so the cruise has been locked at 27 and 28 in between. So the speed will be same as it is like for a long day. So even if you didn't give accelerator, it will move continuously at the speed of 28 km per hour. Okay, so this is a final cruise mode. So to disable this cruise mode, all you have to do is apply the brake. So once if you apply the brake like this, so you can see here the cruise symbol has been gone. So like this you can attach cruise mode by just by holding 5 seconds, and by applying brake it will be cut off. Okay, so like this you can use this cruise mode also. Next in this there are two buttons for like light and horn. So this is a front button is for light. So if you apply this, the light will be on. And there is a button for horn also. If you apply this, it will show you horn sound. So like this you can use light and horn also. While you're riding, you should take care of these sensor brakes, because if you press this sensor brake and if you accelerate, the cycle won't move. Okay, you can see the cycle won't move. So only when you release the brakes, then only the cycle will move like this. Okay, so while riding, you just take care of this point. See how to remove this battery. So all you have to do is take this battery keys and just unlock it like this. So slightly push this like this and just remove it. So once if you remove, so you can see here this is a charging point. You can insert this charging here, and that's it. Finally, there is a special features in this cycle. So all we have to do is you can see here there is a USB charging port at the display. So remove this, and you can charge your mobile from with the help of this. So all you have to take your USB cable and just insert that cable in that, and just if you display on the display, you can see here the mobile is getting charged. See how to use these gears. So initially you can see here there are three gears front side, 1 2 3, and you can see here 7 free wheel. So 3 into 7 combination, totally 21 gears are providing in this runner pro cycle. So to change these gears, there are two shifters. So you can see here there is a 7 shifter. So here you can see change these gears of the for the back side, and here this is a 3 shifter. So you can change gears for the front side. So all you have to do is while cycling, for example we will show you. Yes, you can see this here while changing the gear, it is shifting like this. So you can change these gears while cycling only. Initially if you change all the gears and if you done cycling, it won't move, it will get stuck, and it will be chain will be broken or chain will be stuck in the gears like this. Okay, so all you have to do is while cycling only you have to change the gears. And here you can see 3 gears also we can change this. Okay, so like this, second gear it came to, now it came to third gear. So if any gear or any particular moment it is not moved, means that's you have to just do cycling very fast. And if any gear has been not been moving like up and down, then try to press little bit more, then the gear will be shifted perfectly. Okay, Once the cycle assembling is done and you have seen this how to operate, so finally you should learn something like you should never wash this cycle with water wash, and all you have to do is use some sprinkling water and wet cloth to clean this cycle. So never ever do this bike wash for this cycle.